Alright, here's my 79 Toyota pickup that's for sale. A lot of you guys have wanted to see it up for sale. It's absolutely perfect. Runs perfect as well. It has about 3,300 miles on it since the rebuild and repaint and everything. New upholstery. So, in great shape. I'm going to start it up here and pop the hood. You can see the mileage there. Gonna have a key. I moved it out here so where it started. Cold right now, but running perfect. I changed oil about 600 miles ago. Alright, that's about it. So it's for sale on Auto Trader, it's on eBay, and it will be for sale on Bring a Trailer. Working on that. Thanks for watching.